Welcome to our video on ChatGPT, a cutting-edge language model developed by OpenAI. But what exactly is a ChatGPT and how does it work? ChatGPT, short for Chat Generative Pre-training Transformer, is a machine learning model that has been trained on a massive amount of text data. This allows it to understand and generate human-like language. As you can see, ChatGPT is able to understand and respond to prompts in a way that mimics human language. It can also generate its own text, such as writing a story or responding to a question. ChatGPT has a wide range of potential uses, such as powering chatbots for customer service or even writing news articles. It's also been used in creative applications, like generating poetry or writing scripts for TV shows and movies. ChatGPT is just one example of the exciting advancements happening in the field of natural language processing, and we can't wait to see all the ways it will be used in the future. What makes ChatGPT so unique and special compared to previous other AIs? 1. It's based on the transformer architecture, which allows it to handle large amounts of data and understand context more effectively than previous models. 2. It's pre-trained on a massive amount of text data, giving it a deep understanding of human language. 3. It's able to generate human-like text, making it useful for a wide range of applications such as chatbots, language translation, and content creation. 4. It can generate natural-sounding responses, even to prompts it's never seen before, making it a powerful tool for natural language understanding and generation. 5. It's able to generate a wide range of text-based outputs such as writing a story, response to a question, or even generate code based on certain inputs. 6. It's open source model, which allows researchers and developers to experiment and build on top of the model. 7. Its ability to generate a wide range of text-based outputs and its flexibility to be fine-tuned for specific tasks make it a powerful tool for a wide range of industries. The history of ChatGPT, short for Chat Generative Pre-training Transformer, is a model developed by OpenAI, a private artificial intelligence research laboratory consisting of the for-profit OpenAI LP and its parent company, the nonprofit OpenAI Incorporated. The laboratory was founded in December 2015 by Elon Musk, Sam Altman, Greg Brockman, Ilya Sutskever, Wojciech Zaremba, and John Schulman, with the goal of promoting and developing friendly AI in a way that benefits humanity as a whole. However, the exact date when the ChatGPT model was founded is not specified. ChatGPT, like any other AI-based technology, has the potential to automate certain tasks that were previously done by humans. However, whether or not it will take away jobs depends on how it is implemented and the specific tasks it is used for. In some cases, ChatGPT can automate repetitive or low-skilled tasks, freeing up human workers to focus on more complex, high-skilled tasks. This can lead to increased efficiency and productivity. However, ChatGPT can also be used to automate tasks that were previously done by humans, such as writing news articles or composing poetry. This can potentially lead to job loss in certain industries. It's important to note that the impact of ChatGPT or any other AI-based technology on employment will depend on how it is implemented, the specific tasks it is used for, and the actions taken by society to mitigate any negative effects. It's also important to consider how AI can create new jobs and opportunities in fields like data science, AI development, and others. Overall, it's crucial to approach the deployment of AI in a way that maximizes its benefits for society while minimizing its negative effects, including potential job loss. Will ChatGPT take over IT professional jobs soon? It is possible that ChatGPT and other AI-based technologies could automate certain tasks that are currently done by IT professionals, such as coding and data analysis. However, whether or not it will eliminate jobs depends on how it is implemented and the specific tasks it is used for. ChatGPT can automate repetitive or low-skilled tasks, freeing up IT professionals to focus on more complex, high-skilled tasks. This can lead to increased efficiency and productivity. However, ChatGPT can also be used to automate tasks that were previously done by IT professionals, such as coding, testing, and troubleshooting. This could potentially lead to job loss in certain areas of IT. The use of AI in IT can create new opportunities for IT professionals in areas like data science, AI development, and others. Fun facts about ChatGPT. ChatGPT is based on the transformer architecture, which was introduced in a 2017 paper by Google researchers. This architecture has since been used in many other language models, including BERT and GPT-2. ChatGPT is trained on a massive amount of text data, including books, articles, and websites. This allows it to understand and generate human-like language. One of the most notable characteristics of ChatGPT is its ability to generate human-like text, which makes it useful for a wide range of applications such as chatbots, language translation, and content creation. The model has been fine-tuned for a wide range of tasks such as question answering, text completion, and language generation, which makes it a powerful tool for natural language understanding and generation. ChatGPT-3 is the latest version of this model. It is trained on 570 gigabytes of text data and has 175 billion parameters, making it one of the largest language models to date. OpenAI has also released an API that allows developers to access the model, which has been used to build a wide range of applications, from chatbots to automated writing assistants. ChatGPT-3 is powerful enough to finish a script for a TV show, generate code based on certain inputs, and even write poetry. The model is also capable of having a conversation with humans, and it has been used to create chatbots for customer service and other applications that require natural language understanding and generation. ChatGPT uses a technique called zero-shot learning, which allows the model to complete a given prompt, even if it has never seen the specific prompt before. ChatGPT can also handle multiple languages and has been fine-tuned for several languages such as English, Spanish, Chinese, and many more. OpenAI has also released a version of ChatGPT called DALL-E, which is a deep learning model that can generate images from text descriptions. This model is based on the same transformer architecture as ChatGPT. ChatGPT has been used in a wide range of industries, from healthcare to finance, to assist in tasks such as data analysis and report generation. ChatGPT has been also used in creative applications, such as writing poetry and lyrics. This is possible due to its ability to understand the underlying structure and style of text. The model can also be fine-tuned for specific tasks, such as legal document analysis, or even to generate new dialogue for video games and movies. The model has also been used in the field of education. It has been used to generate summaries, flashcards, and even assist in writing essays. OpenAI has also released a version of ChatGPT called DialoGPT, which is a language model that is fine-tuned for dialogue generation. This model is also based on the transformer architecture and can be fine-tuned for a wide range of applications. The concern for many is, will human advancement decrease now with ChatGPT? It is possible that ChatGPT and other AI-based technologies could automate certain tasks that are currently done by humans, which could lead to a decrease in the need for certain skills. However, whether or not it will decrease human advancement in general depends on how it is implemented and the specific tasks it is used for. ChatGPT and other AI-based technology can automate repetitive or low-skilled tasks, freeing up humans to focus on more complex, high-skilled tasks that require creativity and critical thinking. This can lead to increased efficiency and productivity, and also drive new opportunities in fields such as data science, AI development, and others. Additionally, ChatGPT and other AI-based technologies can also be used to assist and augment human capabilities, allowing for greater accuracy and speed in certain tasks, such as data analysis, and even help in decision-making in certain fields such as healthcare, finance, and legal. However, it's also important to note that the impact of ChatGPT or any other AI-based technology on human advancement will depend on how it is implemented, the specific tasks it is used for, and the actions taken by society to mitigate any negative effects. It's crucial to approach the deployment of AI in a way that maximizes its benefits for society while minimizing its negative effects, including potential job loss, and also to ensure that the benefits of this technology are widely distributed. Overall, ChatGPT and other AI-based technologies have the potential to both automate certain tasks and augment human capabilities, and it's important to approach their deployment in a thoughtful and responsible way that maximizes their potential benefits for society. That's it for our video on ChatGPT. We hope you found it informative and interesting. We would like to thank you for watching and for your support. We at the I Teach Skills channel strive to bring you the latest advancements in the field of IT and other related fields. We would appreciate your continued support by subscribing to our channel and turning on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. We are constantly working on new and exciting content, and we would love to have you as a part of our community. Thank you again for watching, and we will see you in the next video.